Okay, so as you can see right now, I'm in the official site of TubeMastery Monetization, and before moving ahead, I have provided the link in the description of official site of TubeMastery Monetization. So once you will be clicking on the link on the below, in the description below, you will get to visit this particular site. Okay, so how I run 9 different profitable YouTube channels and make 6 figures from them. Okay, so let me share you first what TubeMastery Monetization is. So in the nutshell, it's an training program that allows you to learn about YouTube and how to build a YouTube business. And first of all, let me share one more thing with you, who is the instructor and guider inside this. Matt Parr is the instructor, guider and vendor of this product, and he is a successful YouTuber. He makes 7 figures monthly on YouTube, and this in a quick overview about Matt Parr, the vendor of this product. So as you can think that it's 100% genuine. Okay, once you'll be clicking on the link on the below description below, you can click on this button here, click here to enroll now, and you will be able to purchase it. But before purchasing it, let's look at more about it. So 24/7 lifetime access, work at your own pace. Okay, you can learn from everywhere in any part of the world. You just need an internet and access and login details of this monetization program. Okay, as I've shared with you, inside this, it's a training program, so you are going to get some strategies as well as some techniques that you can follow to monetize your YouTube channel, because there are multiple people whom they know and whom they have a YouTube channel, but they don't know how to make money through it. Okay, so this is the main motive of this product. It will help you to monetize it, as well as it is going to give you a full review, full overview, as well as full depth detail about how can you build your YouTube business. And once you're clicking on the link on the below, you can also read everything here and get an overview what inside you get. Okay, so let's see the testimonials that people have shared with us, so that we can also get to know that it is really working or not. So what I'll be doing right now, I'll be playing some of the testimonials in the front of you, so that you can get an overview how the peoples are getting benefit. So let's play the testimonials.
Hello, hi everyone. This is Abdullah from Dubai. I just took Matt's course for your YouTube Mastery. I've done a lot of courses in my life, like a lot, and I've done even YouTube courses as well and so on. To be very honest, this course was absolutely fantastic. I really loved every part of it, and I really didn't want it to finish. So if there are more courses or more sessions from Matt, he is so detailed, so customer service oriented. He will show you everything from start to finish. So I highly recommend this course, and looking forward for more videos and more courses from Matt, and even collaboration with him. So best of luck, and I highly appreciate this course to everyone. Thanks, bye-bye.
Hi everyone, Thomas here. I got Matt's course, Tube Mastery and Monetization. His online course contains all the information you need to succeed on YouTube. Matt really knows what he's talking about. Thanks to his course, I finally know all the necessary process and tools for setting up one or even more than one successful YouTube channels. His lessons are very detailed yet very understandable. It gives you all the important insights and a clear roadmap from A to Z without leaving anything out. Finally, I've got all the missing pieces, how to partly and fully outsource a YouTube channel. At this point, thank you very much for your course, Matt. Cheers.
So as you have watched right now, some testimonials and some review from other peoples whom they have done it and whom they have purchased it, as well as whom they have followed it as well. Okay, so let's look at the key benefits of TubeMastery and Monetization. So first of all, it's a module-based learning training program. It's not going to be a step-by-step learning program. It's not also going to be a walkthrough program. It's going to be a in-depth module-based training program. Okay, so let me tell you the meaning of module-based. So module means it's a topic. Let's say a topic of, let's say if it's mentioned here, overview of the blueprint. So inside this, there will be some subcategories of that particular topic. Let's say how to make money online, for example. And inside that, what are the benefits of making money online, where you can make money online, and what are the top websites like this. Okay, so let's look at inside this module based learning program what you are getting. So when you join the Tube Mastery Monetization, you get a full and immediate access to module number 1, which is overview to the blueprint, where you will get to know what is the blueprint that you need to follow to build a business on YouTube, and how to grow your YouTube channel and how to monetize it. And second number is, as well as it's for beginners. If you don't have any YouTube channel and if you wanted to start now and you don't have any idea where to start, you can also use this training program. Okay, it's for knowledge purpose. You need to do investment, you need to learn from this. Okay, so in module 2 you are getting choose a niche. How to choose a niche? This is the biggest problem that people face right now. They know what they need to do, how to grow their YouTube channel, how to build a YouTube channel, but they don't know how to choose a niche, how to choose a correct niche. And module number 3 is setting up your channel for success. 33 rules to and how use it. Okay, so in this particular module number 3, you are also going to get 33 rules that you can follow, and the secret, as you can see right now, secret SEO keyword process where you can follow as well. And in module number 4 is about uploading videos. This is an also amazing part, that if you are a beginner, you don't know how to upload videos on YouTube and how to make viral them. So this is also part that you need to know. And in module number 5, you are going to get the growth module, like how can you grow your YouTube channel, because there are a lot of people whom they have a YouTube channel but they don't know how to grow it. So this module is going to help them. And in module number 6 is the main module of module number 6, which is the monetization module. Inside this, you will be going to learn how to monetize your YouTube channel. What are the ways that you can follow to monetize your YouTube channel? Okay, the module number 7 is scaling your YouTube channel. This is an also amazing part. You don't know how to scale your YouTube channel, this is going to work and this is going to help you. Okay, so here's the summary of everything you get. Okay, the complete YouTube Mastery and Monetization program that you can enroll in. Tube Mastery and Monetization student Facebook group, you will be getting to access that particular. And you know what, you are also going to get some bonuses. Okay, 100 plus profitable niches guide, ebook that you are going to get it, and example as well of YouTube channels, and fill in the blanks YouTube script that you can use, because scripts matter the most. You don't know how to what are the things that you can add inside your YouTube video and how to make it professional. So this bonus is going to help you. Bonus number 30 is Tube channel case studies, which is worth more than $97. And case studies, basically it's about how people are generating revenue and what are the things that they are following. And you know, the best part of this training program is, if you don't find it worthy, okay, if you think that it's not something that you are looking for, so then you can get your money back, 100% guarantee. And once you will be clicking on the link on the description below, you will be getting an instant discount, and you just need to click here to enroll now. You will find this button anywhere in this particular website. Okay, these are the testimonials again. These are the posts that people have created and they are sharing their success. And this is how is this say order page is going to look like. Let me close it, and you just need to click on the click here to enroll now button, and you can enroll yourself inside this training program. Okay, so FAQs, you can read this part from your own. Is this for beginner or expert? Tube Mastery monetization is for everyone. I do also say that Tube Mastery monetization is the training program that can help a beginner as well as a expert, because expert people want to know how to scale their YouTube channel, so it is inside that. And beginner people don't know how to upload and how to create content, so it's also a thing that you can learn inside it. When will I start making money? It depends on you. If it's possible to start making money with a week after joining the program, it's also depend on the audience number that you have. Okay, if I have a question or a problem, so you can post it in a Facebook group. As you can see right now, you will be getting the access to the Facebook group. And does this work if I am not in the US? Yes, it doesn't matter where you are living at, where you're working from. The only thing matters is you, when you are going to take action. So I want you to take action today and click on the website link below. So you don't need to be find on Google and everywhere. Then you need to look at for the official site. I have provided the link in the description of official site. Then you can click on the click here to enroll now button, and you will be getting the lifetime access to this particular training program. So this is it for today. If you love this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you want more videos like this, I majorly upload multiple videos like this, so you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video to boost and make the video viral. Okay, so this is it for today. Let's meet on next video. Thank you for watching this video.